Hi, my name is Mark Newman-Kuzel. I'm President CEO of Made in USA, and today I'm going to teach you how to clean melted plastic from a stovetop. As you can see, unfortunately my ice cube tray melted while I was baking some cupcakes and didn't pay attention. So if you can't get it off with a plastic spatula, which won't scratch the surface, you can always use white distilled vinegar and some cream of tartar, and the mixture of the two will generally get it off. I'm going to hope for the best here. See if I can scrape that. And luckily, I got a big portion of that off right away. Just put that over here. Some of that didn't come off, so I had already mixed some cream tartar and white distilled vinegar, put it on my sponge. So I'm just going to rub a little like that, use my fingernail. And that's how you remove melted plastic from a stovetop. I'm Mark Newman-Kuzel with Made in USA.